I'm actually recording the storm that is coming in. I look really, really dumb, but oh. Oh my god, it's so cold, guys. I even have my freaking hoodie on. Oh, why am I getting wet? I really hope we don't have a leak. That would suck. I don't know where any of the lighting's supposed to be. I keep missing all the... Whoa, good shots. And that is thunder. That's really cool. Oh. It's probably gotta be in like 50s, 40s. I don't know, let me see what my phone says. It is 57 degrees right now. That was a pretty good shot. My poor little camera's not doing well. Oh my god, listen to that thunder. I'm gonna spend all 20 minutes out here just trying to get good shots of lightning, and hopefully I don't get struck by lightning because that would really suck. I should be safe, but there's a lot of metal around me. I'm tired. It's like 10:30. I don't want to hang off the edge of the balcony. I'm doing my best to like get a nice clear shot of the mountain. And my arm's starting to hurt. It's raining. You can hear it. And there's a lot of wind, which is why it was so cold. I'm waiting for that like really, really loud thunder and lightning crackle thing. And it's gonna like scare the poop out of me. I don't know. Maybe because I'm anticipating it, it won't scare me, but 90% of the time it does scare me. So I might jump and hopefully not drop my phone. Maybe I'll squeal. I don't know. We'll see. It's so dark. Like I can't even see the top of... Ooh, that was nice. Oh, see, there's that little... Oh, it's so pretty! Hi, Dad. It's like trying to rain, but not. But oh my god, it's so windy.
It's not fine. It's big drops that are exploding in midair.
Wait, that happened?
Big drops in there too.
I didn't even know that was a thing.
Well, yeah, it's... Rain tends to... As it falls down, the wind chops it.
Oh. There's a lot of good lightning, but it's on the other side of the mountain. Like, I'm just getting a lot of light, not actual, like...
They're watching Thor.
Right? They're watching Thor?
No, they're watching Avengers.
Oh, let me see, let me see. I don't know if I can get it. Look, our neighbors are watching the Avengers. I don't think my camera's gonna focus because I'm not. It's totally the Avengers. That's so cool. I got to a really good part too. Nice. Anyway. I can always watch that later. But anyway. Good times, good times. We're done. Yeah, I think I'm done. I don't think I'm going to get any good shots. I've been recording for like 10 minutes. I can't find my stop button. Okay, there it is. Or not.